Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Good.
Once more, sorry, sir. We like to take this opportunity once again. We want to.
1, 2. Flag off now. You're going to flag off. Who's going to drive this? Oh, he's driving, yeah. So, yeah. Please, VC sir will be run over. Please. Where do you go from? From here, run over the press. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Noise free.